Currently, my material is 23.5 inches long. If I take a look at the schematic for our lower lateral connector, I can see that it has a finished length of 18 inches. Following our procedural order for squaring stock, I'm first going to cut this to an oversized measurement and give myself an extra ½ inch. And to begin this, I'm going to take a small amount off the end to square up that end. Flip that board and measure to 18.5 and make that cut. My material now measures my oversized 18.5 inches long by about 3.5 inches wide.